So what does a flight attendant do when they're on a layover? Well, I worked out today after getting some rest. I flew all night from Miami to Barcelona, and I'm here in Barcelona. I just went to a place called Walk Station, and I've been testing out this DJI Osmo Nano. I'm also filming at night right now, as you can tell. So it's 4K, 25 frames per second, rock steady. I have standard dewarp mode on, and I'm filming at 1/120th of a second shutter speed, and then I have the ISO set to auto so I can get more light information. Now the frames per second are at 1/120th of a second, so the camera has more information to process for the stabilization. So let me know what you think about how that looks. The other thing is I have the white balance set to auto since I'm in a changing light condition. I also filmed a little bit at dusk here on Avenida Diagonal. I passed a place called El Corte Inglés on the way to dinner. And the one thing about this place called Walk Station is they were really welcoming. This was my second time there. And I had, let's see, katsu chicken, coconut curry over rice. And the nice thing is this place has a slant towards being fast casual, but a little more healthy. So there were a lot of people getting deliveries. I was the only one in the restaurant because it's kind of small, but the food was fresh, it was hot. And it was just what I needed on a cooler night here in Barcelona. So let me know what you think about what this looks like on the DJI Osmo Nano. Tomorrow we wake up and we have to leave the hotel early at 8:55, and then we'll make our trip back home, and hopefully we'll get back into Miami where it's a little bit warmer. Right here it's about 59 degrees, and it's supposed to get cooler to about 43 degrees, but I'm hoping for a nice uneventful flight home. I'm working galley in the back with a lot of great flight attendants. Our trip out was uneventful, and so I'm hoping for the same going home. So let me know what you think about this test with the DJI Osmo Nano, filming a little bit at dusk and at night with auto settings. Let me know about the stabilization, what'd you think, because I got some other shots, and we'll see you on the next video.